First open Start and type Run. Type regedit and press OK. Expand HKey current user. Expand software. Expand Microsoft. Locate Windows NT and expand it. Expand current version. Right-click Windows and click on Permission. Select Full Control and press Apply and then OK. Now again expand Windows and click on Permission. Click on Add. Type Everyone and press OK. Now click on Everyone and select Full Control and press Apply and then OK. Now open Start and type Services. Locate Print Spooler. Click on Stop. Click on Start the services. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.